nice and oh, children.
Temper. Very short.
See, I quite like his body, but it's his head that I'm not.
Very short, isn't it?
Please be really. I'm
Yeah, it's really short. Yeah, short.
I need
yeah.
good short or bad short.
No, short. You know.
Short coupled.
Yeah, not long and horrible and all that. Yeah, you know. So.
In a minute. Put it that way, Bubba. Okay, it's Mr. Green's turn next, wherever you are. Mr. Green.
Dog these
I've got a really chunky green hair he is. Can't miss you, can we? Whoa!
Laid back.
Lovely.
Head's, no, head's a little bit, no, that one.
Head's what, sorry?
Head's sort of,
Bit rounded on the,
yeah,
on the top.
at the moment, yeah. Change, it will change.
It's a bit baggy, it's a bit baggy under there, but I don't know
well
whether
that'll all change.
Well, it didn't really go on cheek though. He's got, she's not as bad as he used to be honest. Good boy.
Nice shape on that one too, isn't it? They are nice, they're nice shapes.
They're quite typey, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah. Head on that one, as I say, a little bit domey at the moment. But nothing spectacular.
Well, the thing is, it's the reason I want different opinions. I don't want loads and loads of them, but it's because everybody will see something different.
You keeping anything out of it?
I am, Dot.
Yeah.
I am. I'm not going all the way to bloody Sweden. I'm not keeping.
No, but you know.
But it cost me an arm and a leg. Well, I am if she's good enough, and I think she is. But we'll do the bitches afterwards. So I really like this dog. I think he's he's lovely. I think he's really flashy, but he hasn't caught the eye of the people. You know, and I've sent photos and I've sent them to Anya and Marissa. And he hasn't.
Again, you see, it's nice and short, lovely and short again, isn't it? They've all got that nice shortness in back. They're not long and.
It's not a great age to see them, but I quite like his shoulders. Yeah, I think his shoulders are quite nice. But
and they've got nice depth of chest on them as well. You know, because that's another thing. Sometimes you get them and they've sort of got no chest. But they've all got nice depth of chest. Well, up to now. Shorter in the muzzle, a little bit shorter in the muzzle on that one. But, you know. Do you want to do this, dear?
hey,
Trying to get at the table.
there you go, good lad.
How many dogs and bitches you got?
5 dogs. So
5
this
dogs.
is the 3rd dog here.
Have we got bits yet? Have we got all
No,
our
I'm
bits?
just doing all the dogs first.
No, I'm saying have we got bits?
Oh, we've got all our bits, yes,
Oh,
we've got all our bits.
yeah.
2 girls with umbilical hernias.
Yeah, nothing spectacular.
Where is...
Do you want a red?
No, that's a red bitch. I
No,
want
he's a red boy.
Orange.
brown coloured dog.
It's orange.
Is he orange? Is he? I don't know. He's red, orange. What are you?
I did do it in the other order last time, it was orange before this one, but you have got a nice blotch of Philadelphia all over you.
Looks a little finer, that one.
Yes.
Looks a little finer. Still a nice shape. Still a nice shape. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely sweet stifle.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I really didn't want to lose. One thing I wanted to improve with Dora was her back end, because she can move a bit close behind.
Just a little bit finer than that one. You know, we're talking fractions here.
No, it's fine. Good boy. Look at this little tail, love him. The good boy, puppy dog. What a good boy.
When they reach out, when they go for a bit of food, they reach out. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
To be honest, that's why I did it with food rather than just the thing. 'Cause it's... Good boy. Oh, is that nice?
Do you want this now?
Got our little man. A little orange man. Oh, how exciting.
Look at you!
How exciting. We love this game, don't we? Hey, we love this game. This is a super good game. Yeah, I'm going to find a couple of show boys for one in Poland and one in they're here at the moment, but they're going back to Hungary. He's come on, Martin, actually, hasn't he? Just stand still for a minute.
He's slightly longer in body.
But
He's just a bit bigger dog overall.
he is, but he's not
nice.
got the depth or substance of the green collar. He's just a good boy. Dora, that's naughty. Dora, Dora, off. Off. Good boy. Oh, lovely boy. Put it there. Put it there. Calm yourself down. I don't know what to. He's just not quite got the bone, has he?
He's not just hitting you in the eyes, is he?
I don't think so. No.
I don't know what it is.
He's come on.
There's something
He's
about
come on.
him, but he's lovely dark,
Everybody
tan.
really liked him on the internet, and I thought,
Well, I don't dislike him, to be honest.
no, don't dislike him, but he's not. Good lad. Wobbly at the back, aren't you? Get yourself sorted there. Good man. What is it about him? I don't know. There's something.
It's just because he's got that little bit lengthened back at the moment, I think. And he's just, he's
yes,
just,
it is what that is, isn't it? He is longer in the back, isn't he?
He's just doing that. So he's mucking about a bit, and it's not. Whereas the shorter ones are going, dump, that's it,
And
lovely.
you can always tell the ones who are
whereas
really...
he's got that little bit more length at the moment, so it's nothing spectacular.
Dora.
Wait,
It's just going to be most probably longer to mature up, isn't he? That's all.
good boy. Wagging his little tail, love him.
Dora, what? Lovely tan on them, lovely dark tan.
Nice, aren't they? Good boy. What a little waggy tail man. Hey?
Feet are nice
That's
as well.
nice. Now he's a good boy.
He's drawing himself out better now.
It's just needed a bit of time, maybe. Good boy. Good boy.
No, you're going to squeak, are you?
There.
You're going to squeak.
Right. Look at my little thingy-majig. Oh, my little thingy-majig. Oh. Got quite a little protrusion here, but the girl who likes her really wants to show. And she's too dinky for my liking, really, I think. But
Yeah. But again, nice and short again, isn't she?
very flashy. She's got a lovely character.
Well, as I say, if they have a bit of fun with her, that's all you can ask,
You
isn't
could,
it?
yeah. No, it's here. It's only one place.
Just a bit too small, really, isn't she? You know, if you're going to be what's saying, if you're going to just pick at them a bit.
Dora. Oh, you are cheeky. Dora, that's naughty. Right, calm yourself down, sort yourself out. If she doesn't want to show, you know, she wants to.
Yeah, but if she wanted to
she
just
doesn't-
come occasionally or something, it'd be ideal, wouldn't
She's
it?
quite
You know?
keen. She's got a judging list going.
Oh, well, there you go.
There's a good girl. There. I mean, you can book her. It can make a nice little show house, can't you?
She's wassing. She's nice little soul. But if we're looking for the best, she isn't the best, is she?
No.
As simple as that.
No.
You know, just-
Good girl. Lovely. Some dinky. Right, light blue bitch. Hello you. Hello you. Can you get off of there?
Oh, yeah, boy.
It's a messy old business, isn't it?
Lovely. Yeah, lovely.
Can be like mum. You think?
You think? Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down, chick.
Boys have got it. haven't they?
I think
Boys
so.
have got
I
it.
think I'd keep a boy tomorrow, but I can't.
No, you don't
Can't.
keep boys.
I
No.
can't. I'm going to keep
They're
them.
hard work.
Come on, sort yourself out. Look, there it is. Calm down. Calm down. That's a good girl. One face only there. You're not being good account of yourself, sweetie.
Don't worry.
That's fine. Just settle down, just stay there. Good girl. That's better.
Oh dear, it's terrible, isn't it?
Oh, and you're so so hungry, all of you, aren't you? Eh? And watch that piece of string in there. Just
he got now?
lost.
What's he got?
My little dog. Yeah, I'm just watching the piece of string. It's okay. It's a disc. It's
alright, is it?
Well,
No?
it was a.
No,
I think
not.
probably better not
Perhaps
with the
not,
string.
no.
Thanks.
No, I think we'll put it
Dark
easier.
blue girl.
Someone? She there?
Where?
She there?
Is she?
I'm not sure,
That's
no.
red. I thought I had her a minute ago, and then there she is. There she is. I mean, I'm only keeping one if it's really good. I'm not keeping for the sake of it.
What's wrong? In the back, yeah.
Nice and short. Hold himself. Better. Perhaps it would be easier trying.
Really?
Perhaps would it? She just doing it. Whereas the other one, you're fighting with her to do it. She's holding herself well, she is, isn't she?
What do you not like about her?
No, I didn't say I didn't like her. I said she's
Yeah, but
just
what
nice.
is there that you would? Because if there isn't anything you don't really like, then she can stay. But if
No,
she's
no.
not,
Do you like more head?
yeah, a bit more. I'd like a bit. I don't think she's going to have as good a head as
Well,
Dora.
that's what you're talking
Yeah, I
about.
know, I
No,
know.
but I don't think she's going to have Dora's head, is she? Do you think?
No, it changes though. It does change, but I'd perhaps like a little bit more.
What do you think, Donald? Please?
Oh, just like it. What are they wearing? Just like a roll.
I like the way she's holding the tail and everything because
Right, is she?
they're dropping down and you know.
Is she as good as Dora?
Oh, you can't say that at this moment in time, can you? Hader would prefer a bit more. Oh my gosh! What a terrible thing!
That's not good. Put it in the eye.
Oh, come here, you yellow screamer. What's the matter with you?